Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can check how big is the RAM of your computer or how many giga you have in the RAM of your computer. If you have Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 7 they all work the same, so we will have to go to your search tab and you type dxdiag and you open this, run as administrator, and you will have to be patient few seconds and this window will pop up. And from here guys we can see that we have memory RAM, we have 4 giga, 4096 megabit, which is the equivalent of 4 gigabit. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you still need help or assistance to check any information with your computer, you can always refer to our videos that might help you. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.